Why does your scanner show the P1550 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1550 is a diagnostic trouble code for the battery current sensor circuit range or performance. The P1550 engine error code indicates a fault in the battery current sensor circuit or its performance. When this code appears, you should stop driving and have your vehicle repaired immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Vacuum unit fault, charger pressure control fault, boost solenoid fault, turbocharger fault, hoses or pipes issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. The P1550 engine error code can occur in various vehicles. It is common in Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Nissan, Vauxhall, and Toyota vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.